guys, this is the finale of the bird itself, right? Anyways, so I couldn't find. No. That was a lame cut. Holy. I'm getting out of here. What's going on over here? Hold up. Oh, I love worms. Yay, I chicken down here. How many people did they just put in the lava? Hey, and this is a big one. Not him. Get away, Wormy. Get away, Wormy. Oh, hit the stairs. Wormy. No, we can go up the stairs, Wormy. Come on, Wormy. I'm sorry, Wormy. I can't get you. Why did he try to get into that cave? Who is doing the microwave? Don't be telling you're gonna cook some. This guy again. Who is doing ketchup land? Who is throwing ketchup again? How many people are throwing ketchup dishes? What, you're creating ketchup land? Oh yeah, hi! What's in this cannon? What is in this cannon? What even is this? Okay, it's safe to go in here now. But where is McDonald's? I've been searching for it for a long time. Let's see. Where is McDonald's? Where is McDonald's? Where is it? I need to find it. It's been in one of the first videos of this game here, and it's literally like the creepy pasta car is back, and nobody knows it. So you know what that means? I now drive the creepy pasta car. I can't even control this creepypasta car. But where sure is the McDonald's? Okay, no more questions. Let's just get over here and try to find the McDonald's somewhere up here. Somewhere down up there. But I have no idea where it is though. I heard that there was a beam down here. Whoa, whoa. Okay, it is time to do this. Move. Oh, 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 I almost died. My goal was about to die too. Okay, what are you doing with the square thing? And let me find McDonald's. Somebody has a birthday cake at least. But seriously, where is McDonald's? I've been searching for it forever. It's gonna take a long time. Oh, here's a green screen. But where is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you, cake. Thanks, cake. Now what is it? No, what is it? I don't think this is the correct version. Wait, it's down here. Oh, so this is the hole. Okay. What's down here? Whoa. Okay, I shouldn't have touched that. Move out of the way. Get. What even is down here? I don't think I can find the dump. What is this? But here's the ketchup land stuff. The finale needs to have something like that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Pete. Let him go. Let this man go. You don't know the consequences. Oh. Hey, we're on top of this thing. Where? Oh no. You shouldn't go down there. Dude, I'm on battery I'm on battery 15. Yeah, wait, what? Hold up, how are you still here? You're a small bird, and wait. What's happening? Why are y'all eating burger? Let me join! Anyways, let me ask. Whoa! What is this place? What is this place? What? This is our mighty God. Mighty man, dude, to bite the golden apple to regain your spirits and regain your power. You shall rise into a oblivion. You are our God, the great giant bird, and the mother. Is up there. As you're stuck in here, you shall rise. You shall rise. Whoa! Oh, so this is where he took me. I'm still a bird though. Where's everybody at? I think our God just made me stuck down here. And I don't have any place to go anymore. I don't think everybody's even here. Our God took me somewhere that I don't know. Well, there's the sun, and God, can you please send me back to like somewhere else, like space? Wow. Okay, I think God sent us to space now. Where are we? This is space. This is what I wanted. Thank you, God. But I have nowhere to go. What's here? Huh? What's in here? I guess that was just a photo after all. Where even are we anyway? This is just... these are not birds. Here's the bird scientist thing. What even is this place? What's here? So I want to find what all the birds are. I'm just stranded in space. I think the birds are either on Sedna or Makamaka. They're the only pink ones. But wait. Oh. Wait, I think we're on the alien planet. I can go back home now. Whoa! Here we are at the bird planet. So, yeah, I guess I just did land. Is this the bird planet? I think I landed in the wrong spot. Yes, I landed in the wrong spot on the bird planet. So this is north, that's south. Oh, the Birdland is on our east. Birdland is east. Let's go over here. Well, I'm going to Birdland now. Anyway, I'm going to Birdland, which is. So Birdland is like, over there. Let me go! I guess I just now made a huge mistake. Yeah, this is not Birdland. I think this is the Birdland Canyon. It's there in the Birdland Canyon. I've heard that the Birdland Canyon is really scary. But I can't send me to somewhere safe, because I'm in the Birdland Canyon. How do I... Okay, Bird God, Bird God, this is a little bit unusual. Bird God, this is a bit unusual. So is this the Birdland Canyon Castle you really just sent me to? So is this the bird land castle? Bird God, this is a little bit scary. Is this where you are? To my left? Okay. Wow. So you sent me to Piano Land? Nice. Oh, this is gonna be a new Ost. Yeah, this is our one of our new Ost. Well, that was our new Ost. Yeah. This is not my life. What? What is this place? I'm not even a bird anymore. Where am I? God, take me somewhere mushroom.